Hello, everybody. So you saw the title. You know what you are in here for. So you want to make any window on top of every other window. So let's check it out. So step number one is check the description below and download Power Tools. No, sorry, Power Toys. Power Toys. You go to description, get to the link, download Power Toys, install it. It's safe. Okay, it's not a problem. Just download it and run it, execute it. Once you have executed it, go to the left hand side here and choose always on top. Okay. Then pay attention to this keyboard combination, but the default one is Windows key Control T. Windows key Control T. And that's the one I use. It suits me just fine. Afterwards, let's use an example with Notepad, for example. I have here Notepad on top of the Power Tools window. So if I click the Power Tools window comes on top, which is expected. However, if I do the keyboard combination, Windows Control T, you will see now that there's a red border around the notepad, and the notepad is always on top. And you can do this with any window that you prefer. For example, if you're a streamer, you can keep your chat window on top. I don't know, whatever suits your fancy, whatever suits your needs, whatever actually will make better use for you. So there you go, download Power Tools, check the always on top option, take a note on the keyboard combination or use the one you prefer, choose something you prefer. And when you have the window on top, just do Windows Control T, Windows Control T, it's undone. This Control T, it's back done. So this window will be always on the top of every other window. If you wish, you can explore other options on the always on top function, but this is the gist of it. So download Power Tool, install it. It's fine. It's very useful in other areas. I will make more videos about this tool, the Power Toys tools in the future. But for now, let's focus on the always on top. Once again, just take a note of the keyboard combination. Put any window on top. Use that keyboard combination. It gets a red border or other color of your choosing. And there you go. It's on top. It's always on top of every other window. If you do Control Windows T, you undo it. Control Windows T, you will do it. You guys are not listening to it right now, but there's always an audio cue. I have audio disabled for this right now, but you will listen that it's enabled or disabled. And you're good to go. So hope you enjoyed this really simple tutorial. If you want to call it tutorial anyways, instructions or help or tips, call it whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed this and have fun with it. Like and subscribe if you can. It really helps. Hope you find this useful and well, have fun with it. Cheers, guys.